Hello. Today I'd like to introduce you to the complex purchase order PAS extension that serves as an EPC accelerator from Hitachi Vantara. This extension includes key functionality that is commonly viewed as essential in the engineering, procurement, and construction industry. This extension is developed with the latest cloud PAS services, and it provides support for many service procurement business needs, including milestone or progress-based payment, deliverable tracking, work confirmation entry and approval, and invoice retention and holdback management. To accomplish this, the solution integrates directly with Oracle Procurement Cloud and Payables Cloud and provides a seamless user experience as the user passes between SaaS screens and PAS screens. The user steps into the PAS screens directly from the standard PO entry screen in Procurement Cloud by clicking on the complex purchase order hyperlink. The full list of deliverables that will be required from the supplier over the life of the PO can be entered on the deliverable screen. These can be entered one by one or uploaded from a spreadsheet. Each deliverable has a due date that is either entered as a fixed date or can be entered as a relative date based on a set time frame before or after a business event occurs. And each deliverable can carry one or more internal approvals based on your unique business needs. Pay items are at the heart of the solution and are really what sets complex purchase orders apart from standard purchase orders. The pay item structure is very flexible to meet any breakout of payment, whether it coincides with receiving activity or not. Pay lines can be milestone-based and broken out by a percentage of payment at the completion of different milestones. They can be lump sum if the line item payment will be a straight amount, or they can be rate-based if the line item represents a service that may be performed at a different confirmed hourly or daily rate. So you would confirm the number of hours at a specific hourly rate. Deliverables can be tied to specific pay items so that the milestone will not be paid unless all contracted deliverables for that particular milestone are provided and approved. And the pay item itself can carry its own approval. And those approvals can be any number of people, and you can add, change, or delete those as needed. Now let's talk about work confirmations. The same way that we use a material receipt to recognize delivery on a material line, we use work confirmations to recognize progress towards a pay item. A work confirmation can be entered directly by the supplier through the supplier portal, or can be entered internally on the supplier's behalf. A work confirmation may reflect one or more deliverables completed and/or progress towards the amount of a pay item. There can be any number of work confirmations against a pay item, and we use a link between an invoice and a work confirmation to manage our invoice release process. Also included is functionality to support retention or a holdback of payment on specific invoices, which is very common in the EPC industry. From the retention screen, retained amounts can be viewed and released in part or in full, and these are subject to approvals as well. We are excited about the availability of this accelerator, and we feel there are many common EPC business scenarios where this functionality is useful. This concludes this introduction to the functionality in our EPC accelerator. For a more detailed description, you can view our video demonstration of the functionality as we walk through a common EPC business scenario. If you have any questions on how this functionality can be used for your company, please contact Hitachi Vantara. Thank you for watching.